In this brief tutorial, we'll address the Instagram "Sorry there was a problem with your request" issue. Before we begin, please consider leaving a like. I suggest watching the video once before attempting the solutions. The first solution involves two steps. Firstly, ensure you've made the necessary updates, starting with iOS. Navigate to Settings, then General, and finally Software Update. Update iOS if required. Next, update Instagram via the App Store. After updating, proceed to the second step, offloading Instagram. Access Settings, then General, followed by iPhone storage. Scroll down to Instagram, offload the app, and then reinstall it. Check if the problem persists. If unresolved, move to the second solution, resetting network settings. Open Settings, go to General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset, then Reset Network Settings, enter passcode if prompted. After resetting, check for resolution. If issues persist, proceed to the third solution, delete and reinstall Instagram. Long press the Instagram app icon, select Remove App, then confirm deletion. Restart your device and reinstall Instagram from the App Store. Once installed, check for resolution. Hopefully one of these solutions resolves the issue. If this video was helpful, please like and consider subscribing for more content. Take care, and see you in the next video.